Hello everyone, I am Mohit Modi, founder and CEO at Vishwakarma 1.0. I am a computer engineering student at LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad, India. We Vishwakarma 1.0 aims at making the construction industry much more self-reliant by bridging the gap between construction industry workers like masons, barbenders, etc. with the builders and contractors. The problem which we are solving at Vishwakarma 1.0, that is, as we can say, the laborers, especially in India, lack a sense of self-reliance as well as job security. Many of them don't get job because of the massive abundance out there, and many more even lose their chances to work because of being unskilled. But we Vishwakarma 1.0 brings to them the opportunity to choose where to work at their doorsteps. They don't even have to move from one state to another just to find work because they can easily join the workplace nearest to them. We also provide free courses for them to turn into a certified skilled labor so that they can have a more secure future job with better wages. Conventionally, builders and contractors also have to roam around to find laborers for their contracts, but Vishwakarma 1.0 provides them the laborers as per their respective needs. This saves time and increases efficiency as well as employment. The market size of Vishwakarma 1.0 in construction industry in India is $4 billion. Yes, it's a $4 billion market which we are focusing to penetrate. Our execution model is like builders or contractors post their construction site on our app, enter their requirements and pay for the service. That's it. These services can also be provided to them via different subscription packages like a month, 6 months, or even a year. On another side, the laborer will open the app and he will be shown the nearest construction sites. After that, the laborer will join the site according to his preference and get the job on his fingertips. This is from Vishwakarma 1.0. Thank you.